Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm here with a new tutorial to teach you the easiest way to create short videos on YouTube. Stay tuned as I guide you through creating numerous videos in no time, launching your own YouTube channel, and utilizing this opportunity to earn income. Story and entertainment channels often have a lot of appeal. Previously, I showcased a sample of these channels on my channel. You can watch the video right above. In that video, you saw how such channels can generate remarkable income. But today, I'll introduce you to a much more engaging style. In this method, you can effortlessly create beautiful and captivating videos using artificial intelligence, but this time, without the need for any prompt writing. First, let's watch an experimental video that I created.
In the bustling kitchen of the Johnson household, chaos ensued as Mom, Dad, and their mischievous cat, Whiskers, attempted to bake a cake for Grandma's birthday. Flour flew, eggs rolled, and Whiskers danced around, leaving a trail of paw prints on the counter just as they resigned to their fate of presenting Grandma with a store-bought cake. Timmy entered with a mischievous grin, holding a perfectly baked cake he secretly made with Grandma's help. The family erupted into laughter, realizing that sometimes it's the imperfect moments that create the sweetest memories.
As you saw, the video consists of several images and a story. Get ready as I teach you, but before we begin, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Also, hit the bell to be among the first to discover new techniques and learn how to create them. Step 1. One of the most powerful and accurate artificial bits of intelligence is ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and ask it to provide you with 30 stories centered around a family. I'll provide a sample prompt in the description, but you won't need it much. Just tell ChatGPT what you need, and it will easily provide you with the information. Step 2. In this step, you'll visit Leonardo.ai. Here's where you'll be amazed. Previously, creating images required writing detailed prompts to get the desired result. Prompt writing was a big hassle for creating images, and most people received incorrect or irrelevant images due to inappropriate prompt writing. But this time, it's different. This time, you have a story with complete details. Simply plug each sentence of the story into the prompt section. As you can see, the images generated are entirely relevant to the story, and without any flaws. Step 3. In this section, we need a suitable voice to narrate the story in an engaging manner. We can easily do this using the 11 Labs website. Choose one of the voices and download the result. First, we enter the text in the box. Then enter the Voices section and make the voice library settings according to the video. We select the voice type as narrative and story. In the filters, select gender as female, age as middle-aged, and accent as American. Then select the appropriate voice and go to the speech section. We select the added voice from the voice section and click Generate. Step 4. This step is summarizing our short video. You can easily do this in CapCut. First, import the images and voice into the program. Now, apply your favorite transitions. You can add effects to each image or place images in different modes in the video. All of this depends on your preference. Finally, export the video.
In the bustling kitchen of the Johnson household, chaos ensued as Mom, Dad, and their mischievous cat, Whiskers, attempted to bake a cake for Grandma's birthday. Flour flew, eggs rolled, and Whiskers danced around, leaving a trail of paw prints on the counter just as they resigned to their fate of presenting Grandma with a store-bought cake. Timmy entered with a mischievous grin, holding a perfectly baked cake he secretly made with Grandma's help. The family erupted into laughter, realizing that sometimes it's the imperfect moments that create the sweetest memories.
That's how simple it is to create interesting and engaging videos in no time. Then, upload the videos daily and stay tuned for the wonders. It's best to also be active on Instagram and TikTok simultaneously to speed up your work. This will help you get recognized faster. I hope this tutorial sparks an idea for you to use in creating a highly engaging channel. Before we say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Write your comments for me in the comments section. I'd be happy to assist you in creating your videos. Until next time, happy creating!